Oh, well, never mind. The police are already out here. Never mind. Thank you.
Hey. What's going on? Hey, what's going on? Hey, 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 get down, get down, get down, get down.
No, you ain't shoot my fucking baby. You shot my baby. Are you fucking serious?
On April 20, 2021, the Columbus Division of Police in Ohio received a frantic 911 call. A woman reported that a group of females had shown up at her house, threatening to harm her and her family. The situation was escalating quickly, and the caller was desperate for help.
The
Ma'am, you need
address
to talk to me.
is 3171. We got these grown girls over here trying to fight us, trying to stab us, trying to put our hands on our grandma. Get here now.
Have you seen any weapons? Ma'am, do you see any weapons?
We need a police officer here now.
Do you see any weapons?
Police officer now.
Ma'am, do you see any weapons?
On the dog trying to hear us. No!
As officers were en route, a second 911 call came in, though the caller hung up before providing details. The first officer arrived on the scene to a chaotic sight, a group of people in a heated confrontation in the front yard of a suburban home.
Hey. What's going on? Hey, what's going on? Hey, 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 get down, get down, get down, get down.
No, you ain't shoot my fucking.
In a matter of seconds, the officer identified a young woman, 16-year-old Makia Bryant, holding a knife and lunging at another female. The officer fired 4 shots, striking Bryant. She fell to the ground, and the chaotic scene turned into a medical emergency.
She's a fucking kid, man. Damn, are you stupid? A fucking kid?
Hold on. I told you to put your hands on. I told you to
Oh, y'all motherfuckers gonna forget the Get I'm on my chair. I'm telling you now. That shouldn't even matter. You come here and fucking try to out.
All right, what do you need me to do? What do you need me to do? All right.
You're gonna shoot a girl. And she ain't coming back to no knife. Come on, stay with us. Come on. Keep that knife close.
Hold on. Back up.
She did not come with no knife at
The
you.
knife's right here.
I see the knife, but she didn't come at you with the knife.
She came at them.
She came at you. So that gives you a reason to shoot.
Back up.
Stay with me. What's her name?
What's her name?
What's her name?
What's her name? Micaiah. Micaiah.
Stay with us, Micaiah. Come on. Stay with us, Micaiah. Come on.
I need this scene secured, all right?
Y'all just stay.
Makia Bryant was transported to a local hospital where she was pronounced dead. The incident sparked a national debate about police use of force, particularly involving minors. While some argued that the officer's actions were justified to protect the life of the other woman, others questioned if lethal force was the only option.
Shot her. You just got out the car and shot her. I watched the whole.
She charged her with it.
All right, don't talk.
Ultimately, a grand jury declines to indict the officer involved, finding that his use of deadly force was a reasonable response to the threat posed by Micaiah Bryant. The case, however, remains a tragic example of how quickly domestic disputes can escalate into life or death situations.
Back them up. Hey, back everybody up. Come on, Micaiah. Stay with us. Come on. Stay with us. Come on. Come on. Stay with me, Micaiah. Come on. Come on.
Are you all right? Yeah. I got it.
How long would you say please involve shooting? It's going to be
Take a breath.
Officers are okay.
I got witnesses in this car, so you might want to take him over there to one of those cars.
Alright. Alright. You're gonna come over here to the left. Alright.
Are you hit?
No, she charged the other person with a knife.
We'll figure it out.
And she kept charging her with a knife.
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
Alright.
I'm sorry, who are you?
Over here. Alright.
Sorry. You on shooting.
Do I need Bodycam.
Wouldn't let. The guy's a fucking girl. Yeah. Now she's there for what? You ain't just got over this shit. Just watching it on TV. You gonna shoot her for nothing? You shot a fucking kid. A motherfucking kid. A woman.
Come on. Stay with
She
her.
came at her with the knife.
Don't argue with her.
Alright.
Hey, watch your back. Watch your back.
Somebody get
Come on.
right there, my kid.
Alright. Alright.
You gonna shoot a girl? She ain't coming
Leave
at
that
you with no
knife.
knife. I'm
Enough.
not the fucking bag.
Come on. Come on. Stay with us. Come on.
Come on.
Keep
She
that
did
knife
not
close.
come with you with
Hold
no
on.
knife.
Back up.
She did not come with no knife at
The
you.
knife's right here.
I see the knife, but she didn't come at you with the knife.
She came at them.
She came at you, so that gives you a reason to shoot.
Back up.
Stay with me. What's her name?
What's her name?
What's her name?
What's her name? Micaiah. Micaiah.
Stay with us, Micaiah. Come on. Stay with us, Micaiah. Come on. Come on.
Well, I need this scene secured. All right.
Nah, y'all just stay up. He's fucked up. He's fucked up right there already.
What's up? What's up?
Medic rolling.
Yeah, I should have a medic roll.
This case is a powerful example of how quickly a routine situation can turn deadly, leaving a family grieving and a community divided. The split-second decision made on that Ohio street will be analyzed and debated for years to come. What are your thoughts on this incident? Do you believe the officer's response was justified to prevent further harm? Or was there another way to de-escalate the situation? Share your perspective in the comments section below. We read through your comments and they provide valuable insight into how these events are perceived. If you appreciate our detailed breakdown of complex cases like this one, please take a moment to support the channel. Liking the video and subscribing helps us reach a wider audience and continue our work. Be sure to also click the notification bell so you're the first to know when we release our next investigation. For those who want to go a step further in supporting our mission to provide factual, in-depth analysis, consider joining our Patreon. On your screen now is another video from our archives that we think you'll find just as compelling. Thank you for watching.